Hey everybody, welcome back to Thistle Hill Farmstead. My name's Todd, and if you follow the channel at all, you know I'm building a horse barn. This video is going to be a short one because I just want to talk about the water connection. If you've watched some of the other videos, you have seen the videos where I actually ran the water line out here to the barn and just stubbed it up. Well, what I did yesterday was actually connected the water up to a regulator, pressure regulator, and then over to a shutoff valve. And I did that so that I could go ahead and turn the water on. If you, again, watched some of the other videos, when I ran the water line, you'll know I put two hydrants, one down next to the pasture fence to feed the trough down there for the animals, and one up here next to the barn. So I wanted to be able to utilize those and go ahead and turn those on. So to do that, I needed to plumb this in and get this going a little bit. So I'll give you a little bit close up, a little bit closer view of what I did here and talk about it just a bit. What I did here, if you remember before on one of my previous videos, I ran this black poly line from our pump house over here and brought it up through a conduit and onto the wall here. I connected this black poly with a metal kind of a serrated fitting, which is a 3/4 inch fitting, or this is a 1 inch pipe. So this is a 1 inch fitting here. And I use these clamps, and I'm not a big fan of these clamps. They seem to want to leak a little bit. You see here, there may be a little bit of leakage. I don't know if it's sweating from just where the water is cold, or if I've got just a little bit of a drip here. I don't know. I have to check it out. But then I transitioned into a white PVC plastic fitting here, glued it into a 3/4 inch. So reduced down from 1 inch to 3/4 inch, brought it up over into our pressure regulator, and you see it's got a valve on it, and it's adjustable here at the top, so I can adjust the pressure going out to the fixtures in the barn. And then I came over 3/4 up to just a ball valve. And what I'll do from here is go up and feed our water heater and other sinks and things in the barn here. And I will probably use white PVC just because that's for what I'm doing and no more plumbing that I have to do. That's the cheapest and quickest way for me. Instead of using PEX, I don't have the PEX clamps or crimpers, and I'm not going to go buy all that for just what little bit I have to do. So that's what I did on the connecting up the water. Like I said, this is just a short little video to let you know that I have got to this point. We've got water out here in the barn. It's turned on. And once I finish the framing, I will then start running some water lines, and we'll have a separate video for that. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out a lot. And ring that little bell button so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. We'll see you next time here at Thistle Hill Farmstead.